The 8 Pro is a mid-range device equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 720G. Additionally, it features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a big 4500 mAh battery. Just like its predecessor, the Realme 8 Pro provides a good performance in everyday tasks and can also run some serious mobile games. That's no surprise though, as the 8 Pro shares a lot of specs with the Realme 7 Pro from last year. One visual addition is the big Dare to Leap font on the back. And since we already turned the phone around, let's talk about the back a little more. Because here you can also find the quad camera that now features a 108 megapixel main sensor. Despite the boost in resolution, photos aren't much better than with the 7 Pro. Nonetheless, the camera takes good pics and offers some cool effects and features. The 4500 mAh battery is another highlight and can be charged really rapidly with the included SuperDart charger. In summary, the Realme 8 Pro does quite well in our review. 4 stars for this handsome mid-ranger. You want to know more? You can find the full-length review on nextbit.com.